Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have the 2000 BMW Z3. Oh yes, and this one is pretty much the cleanest example you'll find anywhere, and at the dealership is the hardtop. 37,000 miles, which works out to a little over 1,000 miles a year. 2.8 inline 6, 5-speed manual, and the wood in the dash is not cracking. Harman Kardon sound. And it still smells new. That might be one of the only wooden, oh no, E39 M5. They have wooden M shift knobs, which was this era. So this is probably, oh no, those were 6 speeds. No backup camera, just in case you're curious. That was a joke, people. This is pretty cool. This is very much a luxury Grand Tour. This wasn't designed to be a performance all-out track day car. And you can kind of feel that with the suspension. It's a little wallowy, not, you know, sports tuned. But then again, this is a different era of performance car. What's really, really cool, and what I really like about it, is you can get the car to weight transfer with the pedals. So because the suspension's a little bit softer, when you accelerate, she leans back, and you brake, it puts weight on the front. This would be a really, really fun car on track to learn weight transfer and how it affects tire grip, because it really lets you transfer the weight. too. Here I am driving a Z3 and admiring a freaking Mercury Monterey. Who remembers the Explorer version? Mercury Explorer. The Montego. Mercury Montego was the platform mate to the Ford Explorer. No, wait, maybe it wasn't. Maybe the Montego was the sedan. The Ford 500. I don't know. I do know the Marauder was the Mercury Performance version of the Crown Vic. I also know Mercury makes boats, boat motors. If that's of any use to you. We just went on a Mercury tangent. Now it's gonna bug me that I don't know what the Explorer version. Yeah, it's gonna drive me nuts. I'm gonna have to look that up. And I'm not even kidding. NHRA load-in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.